Hey, really quickly, before the video starts, if you want to get this bumper, I have a link down below. They're actually going to be running a Black Friday sale. So check out the sale. I'll have the link down below. Now let's jump into the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are doing another install video today, and it is going to be on the 2019 Ram Rebel. We're actually going to be installing a brand new rear bumper. So big shout out to Hooke Road for providing this bumper for me. And yeah, I'm really excited to get this installed on the truck. So a couple things about this install. I'm going to be coming at this at the angle of just a normal guy. How easy or how difficult is it to install it yourself? I've never actually taken off the bumper and put another one on. So I'll let you guys know what do I think if you can do it by yourself, if you're just like a normal dude. And yeah, then I want to give you guys also my impressions on it. So I'm really excited to get this installed. I think it'll help the truck look just that much more beefier. So I did take it out of the box. So it comes with the main center piece, two side pieces, and all your hardware. I pretty much have all this laid out. So what I have to do now, get my bumper off. Don't know how difficult it's gonna be. I don't think it's gonna be terrible, but we're gonna find out together. So it's a couple hours later. It rained a bit, so I had to take a break. Just got everything out of the box. Seems pretty straightforward. I am pleasantly surprised. It does come with LED cube, so I'll have to make sure I get those wired up too. You have all the main pieces, and then the hardware to mount it up. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so this is fairly simple. It's literally 3 bolts to this side. Gonna be 3 bolts on that side. Some extra hardware for mounting it up to the actual bumper. So the best investment I've ever had for the channel is literally one of these guys. This should probably make quick work of this. Let's zip off this side real quick. Day 2 of this. So last night it was raining. I couldn't really film too much, and I just kind of like packed it up. So we have the old bumper off, the new bumper's here. It's all put together. Now what we have to do is take everything off of the old bumper and put it onto the new bumper. Makes sense. So just to give you guys kind of the look of it, old bumpers right here. Oh, one thing I do want to mention. So for most of these bumpers, you're only going to have to disconnect this one wire. This was right by on the driver's side near the exhaust. Mine was a pain to disconnect. You have to pop this down and pull this out, and then pull it out. This thing was a pain to do. But I also have an aftermarket brake controller, so it was still being held on by one more clip. And mine was like zip tied up through like a lot of other things. But once I got that off, it came off all the wires. So this has, for the license plate, 1, 2, the license plate little lights. Let me just confirm what else do I need to transfer over. But there's the hole for this, so that makes sense. So all that should pop out. It does come with instructions, so just reading over what needs to be swapped over. And having a pry tool, like a proper trim removal kit, is actually really nice because I can just undo all these little things way easier. So let me work on that. Okay, pro tip. So to get this on here, kind of lined up, it seems like it's a tad bit low, but I think when I zip it up, tighten, it's gonna be more flush. I actually had it resting on this. That gives you enough clearance to underneath here. get access to the mounting bolts right there. But overall, this isn't bad at all. Pretty quick and easy install. Oh, and let me show you this. I did wind up running the license plate, I guess lights in here. I'll see how that looks. Even though it does come with one, this needs to be ran with an LED, like I guess circuit. So I'll do that later, and I have these guys installed. So pretty much just got to finish this install, but we're almost there. Okay, cool guys, so I want to show you guys the finished product. I got it installed and it looks sick. Actually, installing this wasn't that hard at all. It took me about maybe like an hour and a half. The biggest thing for me was getting, honestly, just the clips undone. Once I got the clips undone, it went on pretty easily. As you can see behind me, the setup, it does kind of sit a little bit lower than what I thought it was gonna look, but everything clears. And when I was putting it on myself, I had it resting on the hitch so I can get everything aligned up, but I think it's pretty sick. I'm really liking the way that it looks. It definitely makes the rear end of the truck look a lot better. I have a link down below if you want to check out this bumper. They're running a Black Friday sale right now, so you can check the link down below. If you want to see another modification that we did to the Ram Rebel, check this video out right here. This was the M2 light up running boards. This was a really cool install video that we did on the Ram Rebel. Check this video out. See you in the next one.